Hello my friends. In this lesson, I will show you how to enable the attack deflection and death tracking features your own space during your time off. I learned a video on the Water app. I think this feature is one of the best features added to the application. WhatsApp. This feature works both on regular WhatsApp and WhatsApp Lite. So before moving on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by hitting the subscribe, follow, like buttons and sharing this video with friends and family. First, you need to go to Google Play Store, then select WhatsApp application till the end. Release it so the phone appears with you. The feature, after updating the app to the latest version, open the WhatsApp application like this. Next, you touch these three dots located here at the top. Then you click on the last option, city. We will directly click on this option and then we go down to the bottom. For this option, we interrupt it. Then we mark these two fields, and as you can see, you can read these. Now, this article or these articles in detail, so you can clearly understand the role of the feature or this feature. So for example, I will activate this beautiful one. The features of this shape, as you can see, if you reached this point, don't forget to share it with your friends. And watching this playlist, the playlist, you will find it in there. Some unique explanations that you will like on the WhatsApp application, meaning special tutorials for the WhatsApp application. Goodbye my friends.